Hi everyone, welcome to Forex Trading Empire YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be doing a trade review on a trading model we discussed on the 2025 mentorship program, a trading model we trade on a 2025 mentorship program. The model is based from the 1:30 to the 3 p.m. model. Before I start, make sure to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you're interested to join the 2025 mentorship program, the link has been linked in the description below. So on a 15 minutes, we were anticipating higher prices before looking for an entry on lower time frame. While we were anticipating lower prices was the fact that price traded lower. We expected this fair value gap. Price traded lower and took out this sell side liquidity. After the run on the sell side liquidity, you can see a shift to structure. You can see how price traded lower, did a shift to structure, running out this high, a retracement to the fair value gap. So after identifying the shift to structure, we're anticipating higher prices for price to trade back to the fair value gap. After a retracement back to the fair value gap, we're looking for price to trade back to the 15-minute fair value gap, which on a 1 hour time frame, it was a 1 hour fair value gap from this high. So we're anticipating a run on this buy side liquidity. But if you're in the 2025 mentorship program, you know that when it comes to the 1:30 to 3 p.m. section, we call it the PM section. So from the PM section, we aim for lower targets. So our next draw on liquidity, if price were to respect this fair value gap, will be this swing high. That was our next draw on liquidity, and that was where we're anticipating price to run to. So on the 1 minute, we saw a shift to structure. We took a trade, anticipating price to run at this high. Now let's go down to the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, you can see the retracement to the fair value gap. Here's the 15-minute fair value gap. After price traded to the fair value gap, you can see a shift of structure, leaving a 1 minute fair value gap. Now this 1 minute fair value gap was actually where we took the trade. After a retracement to the fair value gap, we took a buy, anticipating price to trade to this high, because we are looking for a simple setup between the range of 1:30 to 3 p.m. A retracement to the fair value gap, the next draw on liquidity on the 5 minutes, if price were to trade higher, was this swing high, which is a buy side liquidity. But our initial target was to see price to trade to the 15-minute fair value gap, which is this high. But due to the time period we are trading the PM section, we're just looking for a low resistance or a high resistance run on liquidity, which is going to be the next draw on liquidity, which is this buy side liquidity from the 15-minute time frame. So we took a buy, anticipating higher prices. Price traded, did a few consolidation, but price did not trade below the fair value gap. Price stayed above the fair value gap. Our stop was placed at this low. Price respected the fair value gap, traded higher. So we got to 3 p.m. Price haven't traded to our target. So that's why we look for easy targets in case price did not take our target before 3 p.m. But our target is still intact. We're still anticipating higher prices for price to take out the buy side liquidity. The trade was still intact, so we held the trade. Price traded higher. You can see how price used this candles week to take out the buy side liquidity before going the second time to run at the buy side liquidity. So this was an easy trade, an easy setup, and we have been taking multiple setups like this, which most of the trade review are being posted in the mentorship program and in the YouTube channel. But most of this trade were discussed live before happening. It was discussed before price got to our target. And when you join the 2025 mentorship program, you see how we take trades like this and how we did the price trade to our target, and to show you when to take partials. Now to show that we actually took this trade, we use a TradingView paper account, which if you notice, that's what I mostly do when showing this review. So we took a buy. As soon as the price retraced to the fair value gap, you can see the buy. We took a buy, held the trade, price traded to our target, took out the buy sell liquidity, and you can see the sell. So you can see an easy trade, took a buy, held it to price, traded to the sell, which if we were to check it on based on an hour, this was a 3-hour trade. A simple 3-hour trade. So that's all for this video. If you're interested to join the Forex Trading Empire, the link is below, link in the description below. See you guys in the next video.